मूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. The next is Shiva Moola Mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha. 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 Now we'll be entering into the Achamaniyam. Take 1 Uttarani spoon of water from the Panchapatra and pour it on your right palm. Then, with the chanting of the mantra, drink the water through your base of 3 times. Om Atma Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. With the base of the thumb, wipe the upper and lower lips and wash your hands. Touch the lower and upper lips with the index and middle and ring finger joined together. Touch your nostrils, right and then left, with the tip of the thumb and index finger joined together. Touch your eyes, right and then left, with the tip of the thumb and ring finger joined together. Touch your ears, right and then left, with the tip of your thumb and ring finger joined together. Touch your navel, with the little finger and thumb joined together. Then the right chest and the left chest. Wash your hands, with all the fingers touch your crown and both the shoulders, right and then left. Now we'll be entering into the Sankalpa. Om Mamopata Samasta Duridakshayadvara Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityartham Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityartham Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adhya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararte Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe वैवस्वतमन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशतितमे नित्ययुगे प्रथमे पादे जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतकण्ठे मेरोः दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शगाब्दे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये विकारिनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे लक्ष्मी वेंकटेश्वर ऋतौ मिथुनमासे कृष्णपक्षे शुभदश्यां शुभतिथौ शुक्रवासरयुक्तायां शुभनक्षत्र शुभयोग शुभकरण एवं गुणविशेषणविशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभतिथौ श्री कैलासोनद द्वादशांत श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमण्य तुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलप्त दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्त्र श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिकत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सत्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्याभवर्गवश्च विश्रान जीमूत परम मत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज कुरु शपन शाक्यादि महांतकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्ह ध्वजो चेतन पूर्वक श्रीमत् वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामी नाम अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ तृणवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परंपरागत सूर्यवंश सर्वज्ञ पीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणी पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्णपीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु शील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्तिसिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेमस्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्यानाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरिदोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव स्वामी कृपा कटाक्षेन पूरण आरोग्य युक्त दृढ़गात्र यौगिक शरीर सिद्ध्यर्थं परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करणार्थं सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासं करिष्ये। ओम अपोपस्पृश्य अथ प्रथम योग विन्यास क्रमः। Now we'll be entering into the asanam. Sit comfortable in a cross-legged position, head, neck, spine in a straight line, hands resting on knees, and index finger and thumb joined together, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye, Sukhasana. तत्सुखासनमित्युक्तम् अशक्तस्तत्समाचरेत् आसनं विजितं येन जितं तेन जगत्त्रयम्. The next is Parvatasana. In Padmasana or cross-leg position, inhale arms up straight above your head and bringing palms together. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Anjali Mudra. Visualize Mount Kailash in your third eye and Japa Soham Parvatasana. अतवक्षे महादेव पर्वतासनमङ्गलं यत्कृत्वा स्थिररूपी स्यात् सच्चक्रादिविलोपनम्. The next is Halipavasana. Legs extend in front and soles together. Exhale, forward head to the heels and interlace the finger behind back and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Soham. Halipavasana. पूरवविधियाहो मे जानो उभे पगतलि संपुटटानो पिश्चुपच्ये दोहो करल्यावो तचन करसो वामह गावो पिश्चहत्येलाम की है जोही हंस सहित भूमि तरे सोही पुनिललाटी भूपरिताने येड्याम रहता माही आने. The next is Kokilasana. The next is Nagipavasana. Inhale rising up and exhale forward, bringing soles together by body, elbows on legs and cup palms on floor and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize snake in your third eye and Japa Soham Nagipavasana. पूरवविधि परि आगाने ने चोहोये कहोनी पहास्यो लगाये हाथ आगानी धरती लगावे पसारी तो हाथ कीयम जूलि करे भूयडि परि लगावे दृष्टि ना साग्र आसन कौगुण शरीर भिता जाई. The next is Kokilasana. Hold big toes with your index and middle finger. Inhale up and straighten legs. Exhale to Padmasana, elbows down, eyes forward and down. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize bird in your third eye and Japa Soham Kokilasana. अतान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवे नरः अकस्मात् वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाख्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयोः सुधीः वृत्ताङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्. The next is Nityasana. Inhale, rise up and stack ankles and knees. Hold elbows, circle both directions, purifying the nadis, churning the prana vayu while gazing at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Soham Nityasana. गोवा भावा पादक आहमाहिली सोयी दच चरण को वारुलो तापरि गुल्प समोयी वाम पाद हो मागिलो बहुरो गुल्प चुजानो तापरि गोडा दच की आकरली चानो. The next is Gajasana. Inhale onto hands and feet, hips up, scoop nose to the ground repeatedly. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize elephant in your third eye and Japa Soham Gajasana. न्युब्जं पादाग्रे भूमौ कृत्वा लम्बे भूयामस्ताग्रे निधाय नितम्बमूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वमय्य नाभिलक्ष्यं भूमो नासिकामानीय हस्ततलपर्यन्तं नयेत् इत्थं पुनः पुनः कुर्यात् गजासनं भवति. The next is Rikshasana. Stop motion and alternating pressing the heels to the ground. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bead in your third eye. And Japa Soham Rikshasanam. Ekaikam Padamakunchya Gajasanam Kuryat Rikshasanam Bhavati. The next is Vaishyasana. Step forward, inhale rising up, heels up and balance on big toes. Index, middle and ring finger of the hand touching the heart center. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Hridaya Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. And Japa Soham Vaishyasana. केशेन पादयुगलं भत्वा तिष्ठेत धोमुखः अथ वैश्यावक्षे यत्कृत्वा सत्यवान् भवेत्. Now we'll be moving to Urdhva Janukarana. In a half squatting position, heels together, toes outwards, knees wide and back of the hand resting on the waist. Bring both palms to the chest level. Lift the right knee towards the chest in a circular. Simultaneously respect the hand, follow the foot movement. Respect, return to the Aramandi. Repeat on the other side. Now we'll be moving to Balalingasana. Ground the left foot, interlace your finger from the outside in and place hands on the right knee and pull towards the chest, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Sarva Vrishankari Mudra. Visualize holding a child in your third eye and Japa Soham Balalingasana. Ekam jana urasimalingya statavyam balalinganam bhavati. The next is Padapitanasana. Bring the heel to the buttocks, interlace finger and hold the foot behind your back, keeping the knees together, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Padapitanasana. स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेतनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीठनमासनम्. The next will be moving to Natarajasana. Right hand catch inside of foot. Inhale and lift right leg. Lift arms, extend out and hip with index finger and thumb joined together. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Lord Nataraja in your third eye. Natarajasanam. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veerabhadrakam Natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now we'll be back to Balalingasana on the other side. Ekam jana urasimalingya statavyam balalinganam bhavati. The next is Padapitanasana on the other side. Sthitvaikasmin padatale karabhyam veshtayetanum prishte samstapya yatnena padapitanamasana. The next is Natarajasana. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now we will be moving to Atarichita Karana. From Aramandi, cross ankles, right foot behind heels raised. The left hand on the chest and the right hand making a pendulum movement. the finger moving inwards towards the palm and then outwards. Then the right palm is placed on the nose. Uncross ankles, heels together, right hand circular motion, fingertip point to the floor. Now we'll be moving to skeleton dance. Visualize yourself as a pure bone and start shaking your body intensely.
Nityananda, Satya Nityarupa, Nitya Nityananda, Satya Nityarupa, Brahma Nityananda, Vishnu Shivarupa, Brahma Nityananda, Vishnu Shivarupa, Ananda Tadava Nitya Hare Nityananda, Paramahamsa Shri Nitya Hare Nityananda, Ananda Tandava Nitya Hare Nityananda, Paramahamsa Shri Nitya Hare Nityananda, Nitya Nityananda, Satya Nityarupa, Nitya Nityananda, Satya Nityarupa. மார்கழி மாதத்தில் பிறந்தாய் ஐயா நித்யா, திருவண்ணாமலையில் உதித்தாய் ஐயா, மனித உருவெடுத்த தெய்வம் ஐயா, இந்த உலகை காக்க வந்த ஞானி.
Start walking in front and back of your mat. Now we'll be moving to the Katachina Karana. Standing in Aramandi, wrist crossed above your head, fingers stretched out. Turn to right while opening the arms, cross the wrist overhead. Continue the motion and repeating on the other side. The next is Tadasana. Here the weights are optional. Stand in tall, arms up and palms facing one another. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize palm tree in your third eye and Japa Shivoham Tadasana. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next is Uttanasana. Exhale, arms down, hands by your feet, head to the knees, engaging yourself in Mahamudra and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Uttanasana. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next is Tarakshvasana. Step or jump feet back in a plank position. Tuck chin in, Jalandhara Bandha. Rotate your head from side to side. Engaging yourself in Jalandhara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Tarakshvasanam. Gajasanavastitva mastakam varam varam Dakshina Kukshim Savya Kukshim Nayet Tarakshvasanam Bhavati. The next is Bhujangasanam. Exhale and lower your body to the ground, palms on floor, below shoulder, flatten feet, raise chest and head up. By using the strength of the lower back, open your mouth widely and inhale through the back of your throat. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Bhujangani Mudra. Visualize cobra in your third eye. Bhujangasana. अंगुष्टनाभिपर्यन्तम् अतो भूमो विनिन्यसेत् कराभ्यां चतरां धृत्वा ऊर्ध्वशीर्षः पनीवहि देहाग्निर्वर्तते नित्यं सर्वरोगविनाशनं जागर्ति भुजगी देवी भुजङ्गासनसाधनात्. The next is Shashasana. Tuck toes. Bring hips up, alternative knees to the chest continuously. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Shashasana. Gajasana samstito janutvayamagunjya varam varam kartavyam Shashasanam bhavati. The next is Rathasana. Step one foot between hands, alternating jump your feet behind hands. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize chariot in your third eye and Shivoham is the japa. Rathasana. Gajasana samstito ekaikam padam puro margena brahmahitva kartavyam Rathasanam bhavati. Now we'll be moving to Virabhadrasana. Here the weights are optional. Stop movement, both hip forward and front knee bent at 90 degree. Back leg straight at 45 degree. Spine straight. Inhale, arms overhead. Gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Virabhadra in your third eye. Virabhadrasana. वाशिष्ठमतकौण्टिन्यम् ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटमेव च अष्टावक्रमतोतान मयूरं सेतुबन्धनम् उत्तानपादं कौञ्चं च मरीचं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. We'll be repeating the Virabhadrasana on the other side. वाशिष्ठमतकौण्डिन्यम् ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटमेव च अष्टावक्रमतोतान मयूरं सेतुबन्धनम् उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. Now we'll be moving to Vrikshasana. Here the weights are optional. Ground one foot and place the opposite sole on the inner thigh. Bring palms together and inhale as you raise them above your head. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Anjali Mudra. Visualize a tree in your third eye. Vrikshasana. वामूरमूललेधेशे यां यं पादं निधायतु तिष्ठेतु वृक्षवत् भूमो वृक्षासनमिदं विदुः. The next is Garudasana. Here the weights are optional. Exhale, arms down. Press foot on outer hip. Keep opposite leg straight like a rod and palms together in front of your heart. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Namaskara Mudra. Visualize Lord Garuda in your third eye, Garudasana. गरुडासनमावक्ष्ये येन ध्यानं स्थिरं भवेत् सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवति महाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यग्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. The next is, we'll be repeating the Vrikshasana on the other side. Bamura deshe yam yam padam nidhayatu tishthetu vrikshavat bhumo vrikshasanamidam viduhu. And Garudasana on the other side. Garudasanamavakshe yena dhyanam stiram bhavet sarvadosadhivinirmukto bhavatiya mahabali ekapadam muro bhatva ekapadena dhandavat jangapadasandhideshe jnanavyakram vyavasthitam एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. The next is Trikonasana. Step leg apart. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, front hand to the floor, other to the sky. Open up. Raise the shoulder and gaze through a raised hand. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a triangle in your third eye. Trikonasana. Uttana Padam Kraum Chamcha Maricham Veera Bhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam Cha Suptangashta Prasarane. Now we'll be repeating the Trikonasana on the other side. Uttana Padam Kraum Chamcha Maricham Veera Bhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam Cha Suptangashta Prasarane. Now we'll be moving to the last Karana, Nikuta Karana. Standing in Aramandi, hands horizontal, palms facing each other. Alternatively thrash the heel to the floor. Simultaneously switch the palm position.
Shivoham. Shivoham. Shivoham.
Now we'll be moving to Angushtasana. Exhale, arms down, step back on mat. Feet together, lower on toes, sit on heels, palms together in front of your heart. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Namaskara Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Angushtasana. Kabandhasanamittyaguhu Gorakshasanamevacha Angushtamushtikam Neyam Brahma Prasayidam Tata. The next is Saurasana. Fingertips to the floor, palms open facing forward. Stretch right leg with toes pointed upwards. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Vara Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Saurasana. Prasarekam padatalam samstapya yatveka padakam. And the next is Vidunasana. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, hold toes. Left hand to the heel and engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Vidunasana. Gulpastito padamekam prasarya tatpadakram sansprishe tatkarena gulpam chanyamam dharaye tatkarena dhunam pitam chabhyase chobayatra.
Shivoham.
Now we'll be repeating the Angushtasana on the other side.
Shivoham.
Kabandhasanamittyaguhu Gorak. Now we'll be repeating the Saurasana on the other side. प्रसार्यैकं पादतलं संस्थाप्य यत्वेकपादकम्. And then Vidunasana on the other side. गुल्पोस्थितो पादमेकं प्रसार्य तत्पादाग्रं संस्पृशे तत्करेण गुल्पं चान्यमं धारये तत्करेण धूनं पीठं चाभ्यसे चोभयत्र. Now we'll be moving to Brahmajurangasana. Bring feet together on toes, knees together, sit on heels, palms facing upward on the knee, engaging yourself in Jalantra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Brahmajurangasana. दोवो पना पानी होई वैसे ये डीडो गुड़ानी वैसे कोरा भगतल्या की माहिली आपास माहिरा केहिली दोवो गोड़ा आगे आने सुधो करी चाले दाने हाथ तोले ऊपर तरे हथेली सुधी करे. Now we'll be moving to Kapilasana. Place knees on ground and spread wide apart. Hands on respective knees and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a sage Kapila in your third eye, Kapilasana. उभे पगतली समढ़ेरावे तिनको माहिले को रमिलावे पना पानी उकट होई वैसे एडीडो जोनी वैसे गोडाडो भूमि लगावे समशरीर निकत हरावे हस्त तो गोड़ा परिरासे नासा दृष्टि अचल कर दासे. The next is Bhadragorakasana. In the same posture as Kapilasana, but switch gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Bhadragorakasana. दोवू पगतल्ली संपुट करे कोरा वारिली भूपरि धरे कोरा वारिली राके ऐसे तापरि मूल द्वारिती के बैसे गोड़ा पीढ़ी भूपरि ताके हाथ दो गोड़ा परि राके दृष्टि त्रिकुटी मध्य चुदाने ताको गोरा बत्र बकाने. Now we'll be moving to Suryasana. On toes, sit on heels, knees up and wide. Bring thumbs together and spread finger wide, forming a lotus. Inhale, arms up and gaze through your palm. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Padma Mudra. Visualize God Surya in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham, Suryasana. एडीडो गुड़ा तरी आने बना पानी भैत कपुनिताने गोड़ा जंग अदर कर राहे आधे भा में ऐसे विधि गाहे दो वो भुजा नाबद सब सारे कमल स्वरूप अंकुरी दारे पहुँच मदि चित्र पुनिताने चित्र विसे पुनि दृष्टि चु आने. The next will be moving to Mandukasana. Lower arms and knees, relax toes. Sit between heels, palms on knees. Pressing tongue against hollow in your mouth. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Manduki Mudra. Visualize frog in your third eye. And Japa Sadashivoham, Mandukasana. पादतलो पृष्ठदेशे अंगुष्टे दे संस्पृशेत् जानुयुग्मं पुरस्कृत्य साधयेत् मंडुकासनम. Now we'll be moving to Uttana Mandukasana. Inhale, arms up, hands to the opposite shoulder, pressing tongue against hollow in your mouth. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Manduki Mudra. Visualize a frog in your third eye. Uttana Mandukasana. Mandukasana Madhyastam Kurvarabhyam Dridam Shirah Etat Bhekavaduttana Metattuttana Mandukam. Now we'll be moving to Simhasana. Exhale, arms down. Cross right ankles over left. Place right heel underneath perineum, hands on knees. Exhale, sticking tongue out while gazing at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a line in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Simhasanam. Dakshinam Savyagulpena Dakshinena Tadhetaram Hastor Jajanur Samstapya Svangulishcha Prasaya Cha Vyakta Vaktro Niriksheta Nasagram Susamhahitah Simhasanam Bhavete Tad Pujitam Yogi Bisada. The next is Bhadrasanam. Uncross ankles, soles together, sit on heels and knees wide, cross hand behind back. Hold opposite toes and gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Jalantara Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Bhadrasanam. Gulpoto vrishanyadaha Sivanyopaashvayoshipet Padaparshvetu panibhyam Hridam badva sunischalam Bhadrasanam bhavetetat Sarvavyati pishapaham. Next we'll be moving to Kakapusandi Asana. Squat on feet, flat feet, knees wide, reach around knees to your lock fingers behind and gaze at your nose. Visualize crow in your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Kakapusandi Asanam. Pratame baisaka ukate tane dovu hata pagam vyache ane tinako modi nalyam parilave pishtupachye kakasi karve. The next is Kani Pavasana. Palms on floor, shoulder width, hips up and bring knees above your elbows. Point toes, slightly lift head. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Kani Pavasana. Asana kauguna ashi dushati hoi tu achi hoi. Next is Kapilasana. Head to ground, knees on elbows, stretch leg up and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Kapilasana. सीसा सीसा धरती तेकी पगातो उमिलावे ऊंचे को करे पगतल्या आकाश से सन मुसरात से दोवु हाथा की यह तेली दोवु पासाध्या धरती तेको दृष्टि नासा आग्र. The next will be moving to Parshva Mayurasana. Palms on ground, shoulder width, knees to one side of body. Press elbows to the knee and hip lean forward, toes up and stretch leg to the side and gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a peacock in your third eye. Parshva Mayurasana. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. Now we'll be repeating the Parshva Mayurasana on the other side. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. Now we'll be moving to Bhairanganatha Asana. Walk or jump into plank position. Bring one leg over shoulder, foot between hands and gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Bhairanganatha in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Bhairanganatha Asana. Asana Kauguna Piti Jayi. We'll be repeating on the other side. Asana Kauguna Piti Jayi. The next is Vashishtasana. The next is we'll be moving to Unmukha Pitasana. From plank position, press forearms down, hips up high on tips of your toes and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Unmukha Pitasana. भून्यस्तु जानुनिहस्तु चतुष्पदनवान्मुखम् उत्तापिधाङ्घ्रियुगल कटिस्थलनभिरुका. The next we'll be moving to Vashishtasana. Here the weights are optional. From plank, plant one hand and weight onto the side. Keep your hands underneath your shoulder, hips raised up. Raise opposite hand and straight up. Gaze through your palm, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Vashishta in your third eye. Vashishtasana. Urdhva Kukkuta Vashishta Marichihara Matsyakam Parivrittim Chodarasya Vividam Dhanurasanam. Now, we'll be repeating the Vashishtasana on the other side. Urdhva Kukkuta Vashishta Marichihala Matsyakam Parivrittim Chodarasya Vividam Dhanurasanam. Next, we'll be moving to Anjani Asana. From plank, jump forward and stretch legs straight. Toes pointed up, head, neck, spine in a straight line, elbows next to your body. Sit on upturned palm and gaze at your nasal, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Hanuman in your third eye. Anjani Asana. दोहो करगी उबे हथेली कोरा वारिली मेले भेली सो आगामनी भूपरितागे महामणि अंगुली मिले रासे. Now we'll be moving to Paschimottanasana. Inhale arms up, exhale chest forward and down. Flat back and reach for the feet and hold big toes with index and middle finger. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Paschimottanasana. Janu parilalatam tu paschimam tanamuchyate yena kena prakarena sukham dharyam cha jayate. Next is Ugrasana. Inhale up, slightly separate feet apart. Interlace fingers behind the head. Exhale, leaning chest forward and head towards knee. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Goddess Kali in your third eye. Ugrasana. Swapanipyam dhritam dhritva Janu parisironyased asano gramitam proktam bhavetanila deepanam देहावसान हरणं पश्चिमोत्तासन संयकं य एतत् आसनं श्रेष्ठं प्रत्याहं साधयेत् सुधिः. Now we'll be moving to Marichi Asana. Bend one knee and bring heels towards perineum and then knee to the chest. Respective arm reaches in and around raised knee. Hold hand behind back, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Marichi in your third eye. Marichi Asana. Uttana Padam Krauncham cha Maricham Veerabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam cha Suptangashta Prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasana. Lower knee to the floor. Inhale arms up and exhale chest to the forward. Hold the toes, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Mahamudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Mahasada Shivoham. Mahamudrasanam.
Sadashivo
Mahamudra Bhattagono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sada Kuryat Antarvati Pati Priya.
Sadashivo
Now we'll be repeating the Marichi Asana on the other side. Uttana Padam Krauncham Cha Maricham Veerabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam Cha Suptangashta Prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasanam. Mahamudra Bhattakono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvati Pati Priya. Now we'll be moving to Bhadrasana. Soles together, heels at the perineum, hands holding the feet by their side. Remain motionless and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhadrasana 2. Gulpauto Vrishanyadaha Sivanyoparshvayoshipet Padapashve tu Panibhyam Tridambatva Sunischalam Bhadrasanam Bhavetetat Sarvavyadi Pishapaham. The next is Valipavasana. Extend feet slightly, toes together, heels apart and hands on knees and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Janantara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Valipavasana. Puravacharapata kahoi soi Vahi vidiyo kiji soi Yame yedi bhimana jurase Angulato antaro rase. The next is Yoni Asana. Pull the heels together, one hand and distance away from the groin. Inhale, hold the soles of the feet with all the 10 fingers. Exhaling, elbows on the ground near the chin. Lean whole body forward. Gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Yoni Mandala in your third eye and Japa is Maha Sadashivoham. Then Yoni Asana. Dovu Pagatalli Samputakare Yedi Medike Dinkudare Artahataku Antaro Rase Lilate Pagatalyam Upare Dhase. Next, we'll be moving to Midaki Pavasana. Inhale up and heels together, toes apart, forehead on ground, near heels, arms to the side over knees, palms on floor, gaze fixed at your nose, engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Midaki Pavasana. Puravavidi pari pagatalli sampote sola yedi mile rase yedya sumahili kahuni agullato adavare lilate dhariti lagave hate do goda upare lagave adavari che pare pasare. The next is Siddha Samadhi Asana. Inhale up and slightly separate the feet about 8 fingers apart from your heels. Exhale, arms between the thigh and chin, palms up, nose on ground, toes touch throat and gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye. Japa Mahasadashivoham. Siddha Samadhi Asanam. Dovu Pagatalli Sampotakare Sole Agame Dare Agulla Antaro Antaro Rase Yedigo Aise Vidhe Dase. The next is Chinaki Pavasana. Inhale up, heels together and toes apart, feet open like a book, keeping back of fingers and hands on the ground, elbows on knees, and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Chinaki Pavasana. दोवो पगा की येडी धरती लगावे मेड्या लगावे पगतल्ली माहिली कोर मिलावे बारली कोर पन्या शुल्या रासे. Next is Charapata Chokasana. Sit up straight and soles together, hands on knees and press down, gaze between your eyebrows. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Charapata Chokasana. दोवो पगतल्ली संपूट तरे आगामने करे जोरे पसारे घोड़ा भूसो लगा तेरा से हाथ दो घोड़ा परिदासे. The next is Bhairavasana. Lift heels off ground and toes down, knees wide on ground with hands by their side. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhairavasana. Gulpo sampitya chanunyam vyuktramenam gidam shanaihi janor pashvagata hastu dandavat bhairavasanam. The next is Samanasana. Place on the heel of one foot at the perineum and hold the other foot to the chest. Gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Samanasana. Samanasana-mavakshe siddhamantradi sadhanat ekapadam murodatva guhyonyalingavat-kare etat virasanam nata samanasana samyakam hityakritya japen mantram dhritva vayum chaturtale. The next is Apanasana. Bring one knee over shoulder, hands on floor and extend the other leg and gaze at your third eye. Apanasana. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोह्यपवायुभिः. Now we'll be repeating the Samanasana on the other side. समानासनमावक्षे सिद्धमन्त्रादिसाधनात् एकपादं मुरोदत्वा गुह्योऽन्यलिङ्गवत्करे एतद्वीरासनं नाथ समानासनसंज्ञकम् इत्याकृत्य जपेन्मन्त्रं धृत्वा वायुं च धुर्तले. The next is Apanasana on the other side. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोह्युपवायुभिः. Now we'll be moving to the Shivasana. Stretch out legs and arms, palms facing upward, and forcibly draw up the Kundalini for a few seconds in Shakti Chalana Mudra. Then completely relax your whole body, making it motionless like a dead body. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye. Japa Om Paramashivoham. Shivasana.
Mahasadaशिवोऽहम् Mahasadaशिवोऽहम्
Tashavasanam Uttanam Savavadbhumo Sayanam Tushavasanam Shavasanam Shantiharam Chittavrishyanikarakam.
Paramashivoऽहम् Om Paramashivoऽham Om Paramashivoऽham
Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch arms and legs out. Stretch side to side. Rack yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Head, neck, spine in a straight line. Hands in front of your heart in Namaskara Mudra. Now we'll be ending the yoga session with the chanting of the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Namadav Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Nityanandam.
Shivoham